Where are the best places to find 3D models for design and 3D printing? An easy way to supercharge your workflow is to use pre-made assets for 3D printing. Finding the best sites for 3D models allows you to focus on the printing rather than spending your time creating new models from scratch. CAD softwares take a lot of processing power, and it is really tough for users to get high-end computers. More so in current recession. Some of the biggest artists in the world use these tools, so what are you waiting for? Here are some of the best sites around the web where you can find thousands of 3D models to use in your work. Whether you are looking for realistic backgrounds, buildings, or characters, there is a solution out there for you. Some of these sites even offer free assets for designing on a budget. Get those bookmarks ready. You're going to want to save these for later. Let's start with the go-to place for free assets and models, Quixel Megascans. Recently acquired by Epic, they have over 16,000 assets in the form of textures, models, and brushes. All their assets are super high quality and created from real-world 3D scans. Big Medium Small is an awesome resource for high-quality 3D models. VMS has both 3D building assets and character models that you can populate into those worlds. So if your medieval city needs a few knights, VMS has a medieval collection so you can create your own 3D version of Monty Python's Holy Grail. MyMiniFactory is a site for fancy folk who have 3D printers, and who want to acquire models they can print out for themselves. While you'll need to search to find the gems, they have a ton of free 3D models and a few paid ones. If you want to get into 3D printing and need a model to print, or want to make money off people buying your models, MyMiniFactory is a great place to start. Adobe Substance is a killer suite of 3D applications, and they also have their own 3D asset area that includes free models. Because Substance is tied into the Adobe family, you can easily move these assets around in your favorite programs.
Graphcad is Stratus's premier open software platform for additive manufacturers, engineers and designers who wish to scale their additive manufacturing production capabilities. Graphcad Community Library offers almost 5 million free designs and models from all the designers, engineers, and students who use Graphcad. If you wish to show off your designs or share your model with others, this is a great place. Not to mention their tutorial area also provides instructional guidance, case studies and very useful e-books, as well as workbench tools for your design cravings. Its challenge area even hosts design challenges you can show off your skills and win prizes home as well. CG Trader was founded in 2011 by Marius Kalidas, an experienced 3D designer himself. You can download free 3D models from Car to Humans 3D assets. Available in a number of file formats including Max, OBJ, FBX, 3ds, STL, C4D, Blend, MA, MV. If you are looking for a place to sell your 3D models or purchase, you can try them here as well. That is all for today.
Subscribe for part 2. Thanks for watching, like and share.